Alright, Morgan, here's how we're going to do the boost limit modification for you. This vacuum line right here, this comes from the turbo and goes to a T, which goes to the wastegate controller, boost solenoid there, and the other half goes to the wastegate bottom port, which is the one that limits the boost. The Mega Squirt uses this solenoid to allow boost pressure to the top port until it says it's reached the target, and then it limits boost by blocking off the top port and just using the bottom port to open it. So what we're going to do is this T, we're going to take off the line that goes to the solenoid and cap it. And I have a cap here. It's just a screw in a piece of tubing. I'm going to put that right on there. And then once you're used to the car or you're happy with everything, pull this cap off, save it, set it aside, and then put this line from the boost control solenoid back on the T, and you're good to go. So I'm going to put the phone down for a second because I can't hold it and do this at the same time, and you'll see in a second what it looks like. Let's see, maybe I can hold it somewhere else. Okay, good. So I'm just going to take the T and pull this off. It's kind of tight. And it's cold, so it's hard to do this. There. Okay. T. And you can see the one I pulled off. Here's this one, goes directly to the wastegate. The other one goes to the solenoid. This one, tuck it down here, nobody will know. And the plug simply goes on right there. Or gets dropped. Anyway, hold on one second. Okay, here we go. So here's the plug installed. I didn't shove it on too far because I know you're going to have a hard time getting it off. But you can just cut it with a razor blade, whatever, and then plug the other one back in its place. Simple. Now, just a warning, if you take off one of these other two lines, you will have nothing limiting your boost and bad things will happen, so don't do that. Just call me if you have any questions, no big deal. This will be sitting down here, out of the way. And this other line will be just tucked somewhere random. It doesn't matter, there's no pressure, it's not going to suck any air into your system. And that's it. So, when you get the car and you're ready to increase the boost, give it a whirl or let me know. Alright, take it easy.